and welcome back to my channel, The Dusky Mermaid. My name is Himanshi Singh. If you don't know, if you are new to my channel, then please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and help my channel grow. So today's video is going to be about my recent purchase from an app called Purple. Although I have this app in my phone for an year almost, but I never purchased from that because my favorite app is Nykaa. Then I thought let's give it a try because there is a discount going on that if you purchase 3 items you get 3 items free from the brand NYBay. And I really wanted to try NYBay brand, although I was little bit skeptical because it is a little bit cheap, but still I got some items and let's see. I'll do my makeup, I'll do the swatches on my hand and let's see how this fares. So the brand NYBay is a very cheap brand. It is kind of popular because of its price obviously, and it has a wide range of products. So what I got is these eyeliners or kajal of different colors, a lip liner, lip crayon and a concealer stick. Starting with the concealer first, this is how it came and it's a stick concealer. See, just like a lipstick. My shade is Grander Than Central Golden. So let's see. Okay, the shade is pretty good because I like my concealer to be a little 1 or 2 shades lighter than my base. I think that will be enough. The texture is very creamy. I'll show you. See, the texture is very creamy. It is very opaque. See how it concealed my nerve. So the texture is very creamy and it is opaque. It doesn't smell like anything. Now I'll blend it with my brush. I'll use a little bit on my blemishes too to conceal them even more. You know, these days I'm getting a lot of breakouts. I don't know why, but my skin is behaving really odd. So that's how I look with the concealer. I think my under eyes looks much better. It was really easy to blend. It blended like a dream. See, no streaks, no brush streak, although I used a fluffy brush, but still, see. And my blemish is also pretty much covered and it doesn't feel very much greasy, although it feels a little bit creamy. As I am going to set this with a loose powder. I think after setting it with powder, it looks more brighter and it looks much better and my face looks really brightened up and very fresh. So yeah. So my base is ready. You can use it as a foundation also because this will cover up any blemishes or uneven tone very nice. Next I am going to swatch all the eye stick pencils and these are in color white, blue and green. And about the packaging, this is how it comes. There is no color coding, so you will going to have a hard time finding which one is which, or you can write it here. अच्छा होता अगर यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा स्टिकर इन्होंने लगा दिया होता कि कौन सा शेडो है. And about the packaging also, ये बहुत sharp है, लग सकता है, so you have to be very careful. And it is priced for only ₹85, so it is very cheap. First I'm going to try the blue one. This is quite pigmented. See, in just one swipe I'm going to color this box. This is quite pigmented. And even the color is so pretty. See. This is really nice and this is so matte. Next, green. The green one is not pigmented at all. Let's layer it on. No. Still no color. Like there's barely any color. I don't like this one. And this is too oily. Too greasy. Last is this silvery white color. Let's see. Not bad. I'll color it. It shows up It is not 100% matte and not 100% pigmented. It is quite pigmented still and it has a nice sheen to it. I like blue one the best. My second favorite is this white one and the green one is not at all my favorite. So I'll put this white on my waterline and let's see if it shows up. Oh, okay. It wasn't showing up on my hand but on my eyes. See. It is there. Okay, that's a plus point that it is showing up on my waterline. I'm also going to put it in my inner corners of my eyes to really brighten them up. Don't worry, I blended out. Let's blend. It made my eyes look like a doll. See, my eyes are literally popped out. They look so much bigger and they look so fresh. I don't know, but I am really liking this as a waterline kajal. Like हमने सुना ही है कि nude and white kajal make your eyes look bigger, but इतना ज़्यादा doll like लगेगा I never thought. To complete the look with this blue liner, I'm going to apply this on my upper eyelid. So here's the complete eye look. I think it looks really very pretty. My eyes look really big. Although the application is uneven, but that's on me because I'm not good at applying eyeliner, and if you are watching my videos from a long time, then you must be knowing this. Now starting with the lip products, I got two of them, one lip liner and a lip crayon. So let's swatch them first. This is how it came, wrapped in a lot of plastic. Shade is number 5, brown line and high. I write it in the subtitles, and it is a very nude brown color. Texture is very creamy. See, and it is quite pigmented. It's a perfect nude for every skin tone. I really like it. See, it is a proper brown shade and it looks really pretty. It also comes with a sharpener. See, so I think I can use it as a lip liner and a lipstick, so I'm really happy with this. Next, about the price, it is for 125 rupees. Sorry, I forgot. And next is this lip crayon. It is in the shade Aced It 11. Wow, nice stuff. This is the swatch. Oh, this one is quite pigmented, even pigmented than the lip liner. It's a very mauvey nude shade and I really like it. This lip crayon cost rupees 150 and I think it is quite affordable for a lip crayon. My lips are dry as Sahara Desert right now because of winters. So please bear with me. So I'm done with lining my lips. This is how it looks. Really lined my lips really good, and it is so nude. It is almost the color of my lips. I'm going to fill in the lips. So I finally applied the lip liner as lipstick. It took me a little time to fill in because it's this small, and it is very fragile. I'm very scared of these kind of retractable lip liners because they tend to break a lot, but it went on very smooth. And although मेरे lips इस time बहुत ज़्यादा dry हैं, but कोई texture नहीं आ रहा है. They look pretty smooth and the color is so pretty. I am in love with this color. This looks really pretty and this completes the whole look, but still I have the crayon to apply. I'm going over with this because that's how I apply my lipsticks, on over a lip liner. Applied the crayon, although the camera is not catching the color change, but my lips looks a little bit more pink now than brown because lip liner is pure brown and it is a mauve color. But yeah, it is very opaque and the only problem with this is कि इसको sharpen करना पड़ेगा और जब इसको sharp करेंगे तो बहुत सारा product waste हो जाएगा and I don't like. और मुझे बहुत आलस भी आता है कि मैं शार्प करूँ फिर इसको लगाऊँ, सो दैट्स द ओनली प्रॉब्लम. आई थॉट ये रिट्रैक्टेबल होगा बट ये नहीं है और इसके साथ कोई शार्पनर भी नहीं आया है, सो दैट्स अ नेगेटिव पॉइंट। बट इसके टेक्सचर में, पिगमेंटेशन में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। एंड बिकॉज आई हैव अ सेंसिटिव नोज, तो मुझे लिपस्टिक की स्मेल बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं लगती। आई एम हैप्पी दैट नन ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट्स हैव अ स्मेल. So yeah, I give NYB a big thumbs up for producing such high quality cosmetics. I'm surprised कि कोई भी अभी तक प्रोडक्ट 200 से ऊपर नहीं गया. Like 150 is the maximum price जो अभी तक गया है मेरा. पॉजिटिव्स में तो सबसे अच्छी बात यही है कि अफोर्डेबल विद क्वालिटी, और नेगेटिव में मुझे कोई पॉइंट आ नहीं रहा है. बस एक कि मे भी किसी प्रोडक्ट में इनके पिगमेंटेशन ना हो, वो हमें पता तभी लगेगा व्हेन वी परचेज इट एंड यूज इट. और थोड़ी अगर इसकी पैकेजिंग बेटर होती आईलाइनर की तो अच्छा होता, क्योंकि कोई कलर कोडिंग ही नहीं है. बाकी सब अच्छा है, एवरीथिंग इज गुड एंड आई गिव NYB brand a big thumbs up. So that's all for today's video. If you like today's video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And write in the comments how you like this video. If you have any product that you want me to review, or if you have any video suggestion for me, you can comment down below, or you can also DM me on my Instagram. I'm very responsive to all my DMs. I reply to every query. My Instagram handle in the description box below. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.